Hello, in this lesson we are going to be learning how to make detail views. So to start, let's just import our model and browse to the file location and import our check valve, and we are just going to place the front view, and I'm going to hide that origin point. And so how a detail view works is you can zoom in. It helps you create a view by zooming in on a particular area of your drawing. So we'll go to under the view layout, we'll click detail view. So what happens is, let's say I want to zoom in, I want to create a detail view of this area. I will click and draw a circle in that area I am trying to show. So it's just going to be exactly just how you draw sketch, a circular sketch. You click, draw your circle, and as soon as you draw your circle, it creates the detail view of that section for you, which is this area, and you can always adjust it by dragging this out, and the more you drag it out, the whatever area is in that circle, that is the area it's going to show here. And you have the different properties over here of how you can edit that view, but that's how you create detail views, and it pretty much show everything in the circle. Thank you, and I will see you in the next lesson. Bye.